Today I want to talk about how I ranked a YouTube video in 30 minutes, and this is my complete process. Over the last few months, I have run a few Google ranking experiments with blog posts and video. I was able to rank an article in 11 hours, then I repeated this process of ranking an article in only 2 hours, and just recently, not yesterday, but recently, I published a YouTube video that ranked on the first page of search results in the #1 spot in under 30 minutes. Now, here's some proof, except most of it's redacted because I'm not trying to get any competition for this particular keyword. But this is my video, ranked #1, happened probably within 5 minutes, but I didn't check it until about 20 or 30 minutes after I posted it. Here is how I ranked YouTube videos, and you can too. The most important step is choosing what I call an invisible keyword. And I've written about this before. I think I've talked about it in other videos as well on my channel. But an invisible keyword means finding a keyword or a topic that has no competition. Zip, zero, nada. There are no other articles written about it, and maybe no existing videos on the topic at all. That's a completely invisible keyword. By identifying an invisible keyword, you can maximize your chances of quickly ranking your video on Google. I can't overemphasize this point. If you want to rank a YouTube video or an article quickly, the fewer competition that you have, the less competition you have, the faster you're going to rank, particularly for videos. If you make a video on a topic that nobody else has made a video about, it's the only thing Google can rank for that particular search term or keyword. So that's the most important thing, is finding these invisible keywords. How do you find them? Well, there's a lot of different ways. You can go to Google autocomplete and start typing in a term related to your YouTube channel and or your blog post, your website, or anything, just a term related to a topic that you're interested in and you want to rank for. And whatever Google Auto suggests in search is probably going to be something other people are looking for. And if nobody else has made a video on that particular subject, then if you make a video, it's going to rank sometimes almost instantly. Now, that's the manual process. You can also use keyword tools. Things like Shine Ranker, Ahrefs is one I use all the time. Low Fruits is a good one. Search Response IO, that's a free one. It's good. Keyword Sheeter, that's also free. SEMrush, Moz's Keyword Explorer is also free. And then I talked about Google Autocomplete. So there's lots of different ways that you can find these types of low competition or invisible keywords. So finding those is the most important thing. Next, there are ways to use keyword tools, a few tricks to find these invisible keywords even faster. So here's what you want to do. You want to search for new topics. So when cryptocurrency first came out, there was a lot of buzz about it, but there wasn't a lot of content out about it. So if you want to search for new topics in your niche. Now, doesn't mean you have to always do new topics. You can do new questions on new topics or new subtopics of, popular topics. But in general, searching for new topics is going to help you rank faster. Then there's something you can do, the ninja around the competition. I'll talk about that in a minute. And then you exploit the video desert. Ninja around the competition. You want to filter the results for your topic for keyword difficulty of 0. That's going to give you the most invisible, the least competition keywords. That's an easy way to ninja around the competition. If you find forums at the top of the search results, that's okay. You still can rank, particularly your videos. A forum isn't a video. And then you exploit the video desert. And what that means is, if there's no other video on that topic, you make a video, it's going to post almost immediately on the first page search results. There's also some SEO, some search engine optimization tips you can use to help your video rank more quickly on Google, even within 30 minutes. So you have your invisible keyword. It's a keyword difficulty of 0. You're exploiting the video desert. Let's say that your keyword is Christopher Kokoski is the most beautiful man on the planet. That's unlikely to be your keyword because it's not true, but just to have fun. Then what you want to do is in your YouTube video title, you want to say that phrase. In the first line or first few lines of your video description, you want to repeat this phrase. Also, you want to verbally say your keyword in the beginning of your video, somewhere in the end, and probably near the end of the video as well. Just a few times, just mention your keyword in different kinds of ways. Here's the summary. It's actually really simple. I was surprised how simple this was when I did it, to be honest with you. I've done this a few times since then, so I know it's a repeatable process. So here's what you do. The summary: identify a new topic or a relevant topic in your niche. Use keyword tools to find invisible keyword with zero competition, or you can do that manually. Double check that there's no other video on the specific keyword. Always actually go to Google, search up your term, and see if there's any other videos there. Hopefully there's not. And then you create and upload a quality video with the keyword in the title, description, and the tags. Also, a related image for your YouTube thumbnail that's related to the term you want to rank for. And inside the video, say your keyword term or phrase a couple times where it makes sense. You don't have to say it over and over again, but a few times in places where it makes sense. Now, just by doing those things, I am very confident that you can rank a YouTube video, even if it's not very good, on Google, on the first paid search results of Google in just 30 minutes or less. If this is something you're interested in, I highly recommend you try out this process. Let me know in the comments your questions you have about ranking videos quickly. Let me know if you've been successful at this, or any challenges that you've had along the way. And another thing that I do is I take that video, I embed it into an article that I write about the same search terms. I interlink the video and the article, and then I wait for Google to rank them both. That's it for this video, but there's another one coming up right now on your screen that I think you'll really like. Please, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.